The human digestive system, a comprehensive explanation. Hello NEET aspirants. Welcome to another informative session on Mind Mentor. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of the human digestive system. Whether you're preparing for your NEET exams or simply curious about how your body processes food, this video will provide you with a detailed understanding of the digestive system in humans. So, let's get started. The human digestive system is a complex network of organs and processes that work together to break down ingested food into simpler substances that can be absorbed by the body. This process ensures that essential nutrients are delivered to cells for energy, growth, and overall functioning. Let's take a detailed journey through the digestive system, from its initiation to its conclusion. 1. Ingestion. The process of digestion begins with the intake of food through the mouth. As you take a bite, the teeth mechanically break down the food into smaller particles, increasing the surface area for further digestion. 2. Oral cavity and salivary glands. Saliva, produced by the salivary glands, plays a vital role in digestion. It contains the enzyme amylase, which starts breaking down complex carbohydrates, starches, into simpler sugars. The tongue helps mix the chewed food with saliva to form a soft mass called a bolus, making it easier to swallow. 3. Swallowing and the esophagus. When you swallow, the bolus moves from the mouth to the esophagus through a coordinated process called swallowing reflex. The esophagus uses peristaltic contractions to propel the food downward toward the stomach. 4. Stomach and gastric digestion. The food enters the stomach, where gastric juices are secreted. These juices contain hydrochloric acid, HCl, which lowers the pH of the stomach and activates pepsinogen to convert into pepsin, an enzyme that breaks down proteins into smaller peptides. The stomach's muscular walls churn and mix the food, transforming it into a semi-liquid substance called chyme. 5. Small intestine and absorption. The chyme moves into the small intestine, specifically the duodenum, where most digestion and nutrient absorption take place. The pancreas secretes pancreatic juices containing enzymes like amylase, lipase, and various proteases that further break down carbohydrates, fats, and proteins. The liver produces bile, stored in the gallbladder, which emulsifies fats into tiny droplets, increasing their surface area for enzymatic action. The intestinal walls are lined with tiny finger-like projections called villi, which are covered in even smaller microvilli. These structures greatly increase the surface area for nutrient absorption. 6. Nutrient absorption. Nutrients like glucose, amino acids, fatty acids, and vitamins are absorbed across the villi and enter the bloodstream. This process involves active transport, facilitated diffusion, and other mechanisms. 7. Large intestine and elimination. The remaining indigestible substances and water move into the large intestine, mainly the colon. Here, water and electrolytes are absorbed, concentrating the waste material and forming feces. The gut microbiota present in the colon play a crucial role in digesting certain substances and producing vitamins. The rectum stores feces until they are ready to be eliminated through the anus. The human digestive system is a harmonious collaboration of various organs, enzymes, and processes that ensure the conversion of ingested food into nutrients that fuel the body's functions. The interconnectedness of these processes highlights the efficiency and complexity of our body's design. Key digestive enzymes. Amylase breaks down starches into simple sugars like maltose. Pepsin breaks down proteins into peptides. Lipase breaks down fats into fatty acids and glycerol. Trypsin and chymotrypsin break down proteins into smaller peptides. Pancreatic amylase continues carbohydrate digestion. Bile emulsifies fats into smaller droplets. From the moment food enters your mouth to the elimination of waste, the digestive system performs intricate and crucial processes to ensure the body's survival and optimal functioning. But the digestive system is a complex network of organs and processes, and like any other system in the body, it can be susceptible to various disorders. Here are some common disorders of the digestive system. Gastroesophageal reflux disease, GERD, is a chronic condition where stomach acid frequently flows back into the esophagus, causing irritation and inflammation. Common symptoms include heartburn, regurgitation, chest pain, and difficulty swallowing. Peptic ulcers are open sores that develop on the lining of the stomach, small intestine, or esophagus. They are often caused by infection with Helicobacter pylori bacteria or prolonged use of non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drugs, NSAIDs. Symptoms include abdominal pain, bloating, nausea, and vomiting. Irritable bowel syndrome, IBS, is a functional gastrointestinal disorder characterized by abdominal pain, bloating, and changes in bowel habits, diarrhea or constipation, without any structural abnormalities. Stress, certain foods, and hormonal changes can trigger symptoms. Inflammatory bowel disease, IBD. It includes Crohn's disease and ulcerative colitis, both of which involve chronic inflammation of the digestive tract. Symptoms include abdominal pain, diarrhea, weight loss, and fatigue. These conditions are believed to result from an overactive immune response. Celiac disease is an autoimmune disorder triggered by the consumption of gluten, a protein found in wheat, barley, and rye. In individuals with celiac disease, the ingestion of gluten leads to damage to the small intestine's lining, impairing nutrient absorption. Symptoms include abdominal pain, diarrhea, and malnutrition. Gallstones are solid particles that form in the gallbladder, often due to an imbalance in the bile composition. These stones can cause sudden and severe abdominal pain, known as a gallbladder attack. Surgical removal of the gallbladder, cholecystectomy, is a common treatment. Pancreatitis is inflammation of the pancreas, usually caused by excessive alcohol consumption or gallstones blocking the pancreatic duct. It can lead to severe abdominal pain, nausea, vomiting, and even life-threatening complications. Diverticular disease involves the formation of small pouches, diverticula, in the walls of the colon. Inflammation or infection of these pouches results in diverticulitis, leading to abdominal pain, fever, and changes in bowel habits. Gastroenteritis, often referred to as stomach flu, is an inflammation of the stomach and intestines usually caused by viral or bacterial infections. It leads to symptoms like diarrhea, vomiting, abdominal pain, and dehydration. Lactose intolerance occurs when the body cannot properly digest lactose, a sugar found in dairy products. This leads to symptoms like bloating, gas, and diarrhea after consuming dairy. Gastrointestinal cancers can develop in various parts of the digestive system, including the esophagus, stomach, liver, pancreas, colon, and rectum. Early detection and treatment are crucial for better outcomes. These are just a few examples of digestive system disorders, and there are many more conditions that can affect the gastrointestinal tract. And there you have it, dear viewers, the culmination of our exploration into the human digestive system. We sincerely hope that this journey has left you with a deeper understanding and a sense of inspiration. Remember, learning is a continuous endeavor, and we encourage you to keep seeking knowledge and engaging with the world around you. If you found value in this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay updated with our future content on Mind Mentor. Feel free to share your thoughts and questions in the comments below. We love hearing from you. Until next time, keep learning, keep growing, and keep exploring. Thank you for being a part of our community, and we'll see you in the next video.